to the Princess Anna makeup tutorial that many of you have oh so requested on Instagram, and I'm so glad you did because I love her so much. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. I always start by washing my face and moisturizing, and then just doing my regular foundation routine. I just apply foundation all over and set it with a translucent powder. I don't really use concealer anymore just because this foundation is so full coverage, but you go ahead and just do whatever you normally do. So I always set my eyes first, and before I do, I just kind of smooth out the creases with the Beauty Blender. There's no extra product on there. You just want to make sure you have a good smooth base before you start applying eyeshadow. No matter what look I'm doing, I always do like 2 to 3 layers of an eyeshadow that's my skin tone. For characters and princesses, I usually go just a little bit lighter for the base, but the more you put on, the easier it's going to be to blend the darker shades.
I then proceeded to pretend that the tutorial was over and fake laughed silently to myself.
I keep my eyebrows pretty simple. I just use like dry eyeshadow and an angled brush. If I kind of went extra on my eyebrows, it would take me like 2 hours to do my makeup. And I'm still definitely learning every single day about applying makeup, but if I typically have a party or an event, this is just my go-to makeup routine. So I started doing this thing where I put some blush on the tip of my nose, and I was actually inspired by an Instagrammer named Melodyricketts who has bomb makeup and is also an amazing singer. Actually, I'll link her down below if you want to check her out. But I think this look is so cute, especially for Anna and Elsa, who could have like frostbitten like nose and cheeks. But it actually works for every single princess and character. I don't know, I love it. sparkles, I just used the smallest brush I could find and dipped it into some brown eyeshadow. And if it gets a little too overbearing, just tap it a little bit with your finger to blend it out. So that's pretty much it for the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about the makeup application, just comment down below and I'll try my best to answer everybody's questions. All the products and the wig is also in the description box, so feel free to check it out if you want to see what I used. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Cactus.
Yes.
Your ham is being a chunk.
Mila chunk.
Quit being a chunk, Mila. The brush is God knows what.
Mila, super fluffy, born a few years ago, brown fur, actually red looking in the sun. Don't know what the she's thinking half the time.
$250.
And the supporting evidence to support it, to support the supporting evidence is supporting evidence.
Ha! Did you start fake coughing and then started coughing for real?
It's actually all fake.
Jaclyn Hill.
Mila, it's just a plane. Chill out, dog. I'm trying to play here. You're supposed to be watching. Supersonic speed, torture in my eyeball.
We're done, that's it. We're not gonna do our eyebrows. Joke's on you.
Are you f***ing trashing me?
Oh god, it's so freaking gross.
Are you drinking your water?
Oh yeah, I'm drinking water. You're so pretty, wow.
I just want to cop me a Diablo. I just want to cop me a Diablo. I thought TMZ. I know. To wear underwear or not to wear underwear?
That is the question. Yes?
How about nah? I thought you doing it.
Oh my god,